Spring to Easter with this decor and organization tips. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I am decorating, keeping my home high-end looking, organized, and clean with 3 kids. If you would like to see what I do to keep my home ever looking gorgeous, but very kid-friendly and organized, please stay tuned and keep on watching. In our previous under sink organization video, I mentioned that I create my own cleaning solutions. One of the reasons that I reiterate this is the fact that with kids, I have learned and understood the importance of using natural things around your home. And that is why I've started creating my own cleaning solutions, and I have recipes for them. I will link the recipe for this glass cleaning solution down in the description box below. Try it, come back and thank me later. Because I have quite a few pieces of mirrors and glass in my home, a glass cleaner is definitely one of the cleaners that I need for my home. So for the glass cleaner, I do equal parts of water and vinegar. And then I add essential oils just for scent, and make sure that you are looking to have natural essential oils for your scent. Just pick your favorite scent and make sure you're using natural essential oils. I will link mine in the description box below. If you are new here, hello. My name is Dede and welcome to Dede's Home Interiors. On this channel, I do home decor inspiration and ideas, and I also strive to keep an organized and user-friendly home. If you like videos like this, please do not hesitate to subscribe. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I heart you. Thank you so very much for your constant support on this channel. It doesn't go unnoticed. The second thing to do is using blankets to make your home as cozy as possible. You want your kids to be happy. You want your partner to be happy when they're using the space that you have decorated or designed. And always remember, do not go with blankets that do not match your theme. My theme is white, black, and gold. And so you can see that I always use blankets to match the theme. The third thing to do is containing your mess. If you have kids or a dog, you want to keep a specific or dedicated area for them to eat and carry out activities that they love to do, activities that might make a mess. I have this area which is very much used. As you can see, the chairs are worn out. My kids use this area or spend time in this area to eat and watch their tablets most of the time. So guys, let me know if you agree or disagree to any of the organization tips that I'm mentioning in this video, or if you have any that I'm going to be missing out in the video. The next thing I do that gives me an aesthetically pleasing, cozy, and user-friendly home is I buy easy to use supplies that also match the aesthetics of my home. I want my cleaning supplies to be placed anywhere in the house and not change the aesthetics of the home. And when I talk about user-friendly supplies, I mean supplies that even your kids can use and do a quick clean even when they make a mess. You always want to involve your kids when it's cleaning time. You also want to involve your kids when you are decorating, if you love to decorate. This will make them get used to the fact that there is always decor and a clean house. In the line of keeping things organized, usable, and reachable for the kids, I have this cup organizer that I got from Amazon, and oh my God, words cannot express how helpful this has been for me, not waking up every time from wherever I am to come and help the kids get their cups to get water or juice. So this is definitely easy to use, easy to store, and initially the glue that it came with was not sticking well, and so I had to add my own glue to it. And this has been so helpful because my child uses it very easily and it does the trick. So let me know if you think this is a deal breaker for you, or this is a must have for you, for your grandkids and for your kids. The next thing I want to talk about is storing your cleaning solutions. This is a very, very delicate area in the house, and you want to make sure that you're storing your cleaning solution in an area that the kids cannot reach. Now, I'd like to show you this lock system, which you can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, or Amazon. It's a very, very good system because it prevents the kids from just coming in to the cleaning solution compartment and using it without your knowledge. So this is a very, very good one to have if you have little kids or grandkids over or living with you. I just wanted to throw this in so you guys can see something that has helped me keep things away from my kids. And also remember to have a good organization system for everything, including your cleaning solutions or supplies. One very important item that helps me keep my home organized is the use of trays. I always tell my clients that trays are important in keeping your home in one piece. If you use a tray for different items, you would find that your stuff are contained in one area. Pretty much overall, it's just create specific spaces for everything. And if you cannot create those spaces without using trays, I would say use these trays from Ross. I try to create little vignettes with my trays to create beautiful spaces. Even when there is a lot, it doesn't look like there is a lot because you have contained everything in one little space using a tray.
Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind.
Last but not the least, I want to show you guys where I keep my mess. I use a decorative box to keep the mess as well. I am not perfect. I also have a mess. And so you want to use something that matches your decor style to also contain your mess. That way, it kind of hides and masks the mess. You would get to it later anyway. So I just want to show you guys that you can use decorative boxes to contain the mess. You can use decorative boxes to store anything you want and keep them contained. In this area by the TV, media wall, I also have boxes here that contain our remote control and more mess. I have a lot going on here. This is supposed to be for our chargers, but then you can see so many other things that are not chargers in this box. That is to say, you should use boxes that match the aesthetics of your home to contain your mess, and you would have a very beautiful and aesthetically pleasing but functional home as well. So if you're liking this video, or if you liked this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone to also help them keep their home organized and stress-free. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did not see our last video, please do well to check that video out. There is a lot of useful information in there as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Got him on my mind.